How Berlin was rebuilt after World War II. The Allies had different policies and plans for rebuilding Berlin after World War II. These guidelines were implemented after the World War. These policies and plans included the Marshall Plan, the creation of the Berlin Airlift, the establishment of the Allied Control Council, the division of Berlin into 4 zones, and the construction of the Berlin Wall. The Marshall Plan provided funds to rebuild Berlin's damaged infrastructure, while the Berlin Airlift provided essential goods to the people of Berlin. The Allied Control Council was established to govern the city, while the 4 zones were created to divide Berlin among the Allied powers. The construction of the Berlin Wall was intended to prevent people from fleeing from the GDR to the Federal Republic. These policies and plans were crucial to the rebuilding of Berlin after World War II and played a significant role in shaping the city's history. After World War II, Berlin was rebuilt with the help of several key individuals and groups. Notable figures involved in the reconstruction effort include Konrad Adenauer, who served as mayor of Berlin from 1947 to 1948, and Ernst Reuter, who succeeded Adenauer as mayor and oversaw the city's reconstruction. The Allied powers, particularly the United States, also played a significant role in the reconstruction effort by providing financial aid and resources. Other groups involved in the reconstruction of Berlin include the Berlin Magistrate, which implemented various infrastructure projects, and voluntary organizations such as the Berlin City Mission, which provided help and support to the city's residents. Together, these individuals and groups worked to transform Berlin back into a thriving, modern city. After World War II, Berlin was rebuilt with the help of various individuals and groups. One of the key figures in Berlin's rebuilding was Hans Scharoun, an architect who designed the Berlin Philharmonie and helped shape the master plan for the city's urban renewal. Another important authority was the Senate Building Administration, which oversaw the allocation of funds and the implementation of various projects, including new housing construction and the restoration of historic buildings. There were also various international architects and planners who contributed their expertise to the reconstruction, such as the American architect Hugh Stubbins, who designed the Berlin Congress Center. Through the combined efforts of these individuals and groups, Berlin was able to emerge from the ravages of war and once again become a vibrant, modern city.